And then this is tapio also. If you are not subscribed yet my channel, please subscribe, like and share, and hit the bell for my notification, and leave a comment below. See you on premiere. Share, share, share. 500 grams milk. Okay. Cook the ladyfinger. Then put inside again. Okay, continuously, ha. So the two line is finished. So I'll make the short line because it's not enough the 3 line. So this is the half. So it's done. I will make it set aside, okay? Add the 500 grams milk. Four cups of flour. Mix well. Instead of we add sugar, we add this condensed milk. Half of condensed milk. Then I add mango. I have to slice first. Then I add it now. Okay, try to put this in the pot. So have to start to cook now. Continuously stirring until the pudding is okay. Until the pudding is sticky, okay? We will wait. I have to continue stir. I crushed already the mango. See? I don't want that big chop of the mango, so I crushed it already. So it's sticky already. So I have to put inside. Oh, that's it. We have to put on the fridge, or we have to cool it down, and then next is we have to put in the fridge. This is it, my ladyfinger cake. So this is it. It's already how it is, how it's look, the cake. Okay, we have to start. I have to open on it, and then let me try if I flip on it. If I can, I want to flip on it. Okay. So, oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. So I can do it. I can flip on. Yes. Yes. I can transfer here. So I have to remove. Oh. Yes. Okay. We have to put this. And then the coconut. So we keep the center empty. We put a mango. Oh, that's it. So okay, we have to make plating. So this is it. Okay. This is my Ladyfinger cheesecake. So that's it. See? Okay, we have to try to eat. We have to try to eat. We make it top view. Okay. This is my Ladyfinger cheesecake. We have to eat now. Try it. Yummy. This is mango. There is mango inside already. I have to correct. I instantly corrected. This is my Ladyfinger mango cheesecake. And this one cranberry. Delicious. This is the moment of truth. And this is the moment to taste it. Really delicious. With matching coffee or tea. And this one, I put almond and the, what is this, kokos they called here in Germany. This kokos, this, this one, they called kokos. This one is coconut. Coconut and almond. Okay, see you on premiere. Bye-bye.